Okay, guys, so remember I filmed this a day early, and right now it's Monday, and it's really warm and really sunny, and it's kind of windy, but tomorrow it's going to be cool, and it's going to be rainy. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down, cool and rainy. We're supposed to have a cold front come in, and it's supposed to rain, so we'll see if I'm right or not tomorrow, which is actually today when y'all are watching this. So today it should be rainy. We're going to add a tally mark to our rainy right there. So far we've had mostly sunny days for November. Days in school are 63. That's 6 10s and 3 1s. So you got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So let's add a little dot. 63 days in school. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So we're going to make 63 our number of the day. Erase this here. All right, here we go. 63. 10 less is 53. 10 more is 73. 1 less is 62. And 1 more is 64. A lot of you really had trouble with this on your math test, so make sure when we do this, you're watching and you're figuring out our patterns. Let's count by 5. So here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, and this next one is also something I noticed that you guys had a lot of trouble with on your test. So watch closely. I'm going to put 63 on one side. I'm going to put 79 on the other. What number is bigger? Which one would you rather have if you could have 63 pieces of candy or 79 pieces of candy? Which one would you rather have? Let's look back on our hundreds chart. So here's 63 right here. But if you keep going past it, keep going, you get to 79. So since we had to keep going past 63 and we kept going, 79 is our bigger number. So the alligator would open his mouth wide to eat 79. He's bigger. All right, let's check out our skip counting. So we had, I'm just going to do this bottom row, 54, we skipped 55, 56, we skipped 57. And you guys also know our pattern. When we count by twos, and it's even numbers, it ends with a 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So here we go. 0, 2, 4, 6. So we're at 66. 5, 10, 15, 20. How about 25? Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How about 110? We're going to keep going with this rascal. See how far we can get. That's 110. Number bond today. Let's do 14. Nah, let's not do 14. I think we just did 14 the other day. Let's do one we haven't done yet. Let's do 17. All right. Now 17 can be broken down into 9 and 8. See, we can take 9, and we can add it to 8, 9, and it makes 17. Okay, back to family. Let's erase these guys. So we have 17, and then we can take 9 and add it to 8, and it makes 17. 9 plus 8 is 17. Now when we add the 17, or the whole, this is our whole, and this is when it gets broken down into parts. The whole is the answer when we add. So then you just take your 9 and 8 and you add it. 9 plus 8 makes 17, and then you reverse them and you say 8 plus 9 makes 17. Then we come over here and we take our big number 17 and we put it at the beginning. That's our whole. Then we subtract one of the parts. 8 is one of the parts. The other part that's left is 9. Then on our next one, we subtract one of our parts, which is 9, and the other part that's left is 8. All right, I hope that made good sense to you. Practice counting by 10 starting with any number, and practice greater than or less than with your little alligator mouth.